Hi, back again. Now the next consonant sound is the L sound, or the OOL. Now that's the one down here. Now the way to make this sound, it's not part of a pair, it's just by itself on the bottom line there. So if you can imagine that this is your teeth, and then your tongue comes here and it's at the top of your teeth, and you push against the top of your front teeth like this. So if you can try to do that, and the sound sounds like this. OOL. So you push your tongue up against the top part of your upper teeth and make a sound. OOL. OOL. Long. Live. Live. OOL. OOL. So you probably have to do a bit of practicing with that one. But just remember that the tongue pushes up against the top of your front teeth. And we do that with other sounds as well. So try to practice that. Quite commonly, most people don't push hard enough up against the teeth of the upper teeth. So that's usually the problem. And you've got to get your tongue from the other position wherever you've made a sound and get it to that position to make the OOL sound. So that's the OOL sound in live or live, lift, leave. So I'll see you in the next video.